Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel about Sonia. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with everyone, and turn on your notification by hitting that bell symbol, so every time I upload a video you will get an alert. And so simply today's video, if you ever had a leaky faucet and need to know how to fix it, right now that's what we're doing in this video, to show you guys how we fixed ours. So without further ado, I'm just going to go right into the video and you guys can continue watching. If you have any questions or anything, suggestion about anything, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you have finished watching this video, go ahead to our couples channel. We got a lot of contents under there as well, such as how to do an urban gardening, how to fix a headliner in your vehicle, just certain things like those, and couples challenges, and how to keep your romance going, and plus encouraging words through the Bible or whatever it may be. Just go ahead and look over to our couples channel. Again, well, we want to thank you for watching these videos and subscribing and sharing these videos to everyone. It is helping our channels to grow. So let's get right into this video.
Hey Josh, do you have a quick minute? In a minute, I just need you to line something up for me, please. When you get a minute. Just need to make sure this is lined up before I play it. I'm gonna turn on, just pull it straight back.
Yeah, I was trying to watch so you can see what's going on.
You can do it slow.
Go now?
No, not Okay, just slow. Yeah, go ahead. Stop. One more time, just pour this out.
Cause it didn't even go all the way up.
Ah.
It didn't even go all
Oh,
the
that's
way up.
okay. I just had to make sure that there was no air. There's enough air on it. Alright. You can go all the way back.
All the way?
Whoa! Sorry. I didn't have it in there. My bad. I thought I had it. Alright.
Not all the way back?
Yeah. Okay. Alright. Thanks. Let me pour that out.
What if I froze? She just kept going.
You can do that. And I appreciate you. Next video. You can give me that blue piece, please.
Just the blue?
Yeah. Should be okay after this.
These sweaters are so comfortable. They're so soft.
I have to feel it after. I like soft ones.
You said what?
I have to feel it after because I like soft sweaters.
Yeah, this one's really soft.
Okay. Should be good. Alright guys, so we got the sink job all finished. I put the new faucet on and we hooked up the hose for the sprayer. We put a new valve on coming out of the main pipe. And we got the lines on, so it's very easy. We connected it from the top, get everything back connected. And this was the tight spot right up in the top here. That was the worst spot, but once you get through that, it's pretty good. And like I said, it's a very simple job you can do yourself, a DIY job. And say so myself, I think it turned out pretty good. All right guys, thanks for watching.